Hey GED students, a student, Francis, was working on the area and perimeter with formulas, beginning level practice, and came across this problem and was a little stumped. So let's go ahead and take a look at it together. Okay, this example said a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle. So we're talking a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape, with two sets of parallel sides and nice 90-degree corners. So there's my nice rectangle. Maybe it's not so nice. Is 2.3 feet wide. Okay, 2.3 feet wide. Pardon me. And 3.4 feet long. Okay, 3.4 feet long. What is its area? Okay, now some of you guys know, hey, if I want to find area, I just multiply the two dimensions. And that's true. But since Francis was practicing with formulas, I'm going to use the formula sheet, which basically tells you the same thing. But go to the formula sheet for the GED, look under the very first section up at the top, which is the area section, and look at the area of the rectangle formula, and that's exactly what it will tell you. It says to find the area of a rectangle, so A, that's going to be equivalent to, it's equal to LW, the length times the width. That's what, in algebra, when we want letters to multiply together, we just shove them up real tight. So LW means length times width. Wonderful. Next step when you're doing formal math writing, after writing out your little formula, your known truth, you do a substitution. You trade out any letters for known values. So I know what the length of my rectangle is. It's 3.4 feet. The problem said that. I know what the width of my rectangle is. It's 2.3 feet. And so I can replace those letters, L and W, with the known values. That's called substitution. Let's do it. So I don't know the area. It'll stay A. Equal sign will stay equal. But I do know the length. I'm going to replace the letter L with its known value. So we said the length was 3.4, so I'll replace it with 3.4. Notice that I did it in parentheses. That's because I know that L and W are multiplying, and I am signaling that. When we just have numbers, we do need to have some kind of a symbol that says multiplying. So 3.4 times, and then we said our width was 2.3. And we can see that this new line, A equals 3.4 equals times 2.3, says the same thing as the last line. Multiply together your length and width. It's just I specifically know my length and width now. And now my final line after doing my substitution should be my solution, my final answer with a unit. So I will do the multiplication in my calculator. If you want to learn to multiply decimals, this is not that video. I almost always pick up a calculator for multiplying decimals, especially when I'm doing test taking and my brain is really focused on other more important things. And I get 7.82. And 7.82 what? What kind of units? Well, you can see we're in feet, but remember, if you go and multiply together feet and feet, which is what we did, that's going to give you square feet. Another way to think about that is area is always measured in square units. Even one unit that we don't typically think of as a square unit, acres is a square unit. Okay, so area is always measured in square units. So there you go. So our final answer then is A is equal to 7.82 square feet. And I am done. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.